Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Kobo Matter inputs. Measure the Kobo matrix and add 0.5 ml solvent into the reagent vial. You do this now because precise ratios control reactivity. Small deviations alter output. Next, plug in the 12V supply and set the current to 1A. This stabilizes the activation phase. Once done, position the vial in the holder and enable ventilation. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Safety keeps the experiment repeatable and faster. You initiate the Kobo conversion by ramping voltage from 0 to 12V over 90 seconds. This controlled rise prevents spikes and promotes uniform activation. As the process runs, watch the color shift and the 3 green LEDs. These are your primary feedback. Keep temperature below 45 degrees C. Overheating changes the matter state. If progress slows, increase current in 0. 1 steps. Conversely, reduce it if indicators show overshoot. Doing this lets you balance reaction rate. You finish by ramping voltage down slowly, then extract the Kobo product and allow it to cool for 10 minutes. Gentle shutdown prevents structural defects. Next, run a quick assay. Apply 1-drop reagent test and inspect visual integrity. These confirm successful conversion and identify contaminants. If results are off, check seals and connections first, then repeat the cycle at 0.9A and verify solvent purity. That single troubleshooting step, seals and current, solves most issues and saves time on repeats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.